Having trouble installing iTunes on Windows? Don't worry, many users face issues with setup errors, compatibility, or installation failures. In this video, we'll guide you through quick fixes to get iTunes running smoothly on your PC. Let's dive in. Part 2. How to fix the issue, can't install iTunes on Windows 10. Fix 1. Update Windows. Fix 2. Download the latest version of iTunes. Fix 3. Restart your computer. Fix 4. Temporarily disable or uninstall security software. Fix 5. Log into your PC as an administrator. Fix 6. Completely remove iTunes and reinstall it. Part 3. Try the best alternative to iTunes. Assistant for iOS. If iTunes won't install on Windows 10, try Mobikin Assistant for iOS. It lets you manage, backup, and restore iPhone, iPad, and iPod data on your computer. Plus, you can preview and select files to back up. How to transfer data between iPhone and computer using Mobikin Assistant for iOS. Install and open Mobikin Assistant for iOS, then connect your iPhone. Choose a category to manage. An iOS assistant will scan and list files. Preview files, select data to back up, and click Export. Use Import, Delete, or Edit to manage data on your computer.